Olympiad question together. X plus y equal to 8, xy equal to 48. We can call this equation 1 and this equation 2. From equation 1, x is equal to 8 minus y. What we will do now is to replace this particular x with 8 minus y. So from this line we have 8 minus y times y equal to 48. This means that 8 times y, that is 8y, minus y times y, that is minus y squared, equal to 48. This means that y squared minus 8y plus 48 is equal to 0. This quadratic equation, we can solve it using quadratic formula. And what does the quadratic formula say? It says y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. From this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8, c is equal to 48. The next thing we are going to do is to plug in all these values into this right hand side. So we have y equal to minus into minus 8 plus or minus square root of minus 8 all squared minus 4 into 1 into 48 divided by 2 into 1. Let's proceed further. This means that y is equal to minus times minus 8, that is 8, plus or minus square root of minus 8 all squared, that is simply 64, minus 4 times 1 times 48, that is 192, divided by 2 times 1, that is simply 2. This implies that y is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 64 minus 192, that is negative 128 divided by 2. Let's proceed further. This implies that y is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of negative 128 could be written as square root of 128 times square root of negative 1 divided by 2. This implies that y equal to 8 plus or minus, we can rewrite square root of 128 as square root of 64 times square root of 2. You can confirm this using your calculator, times square root of negative 1 divided by 2. This implies that y is equal to 8 plus or minus, what is square root of 64? That is simply 8 times square root of 2. And this particular one, square root of negative 1, is I from the complex number. So we have I here divided by 2. This implies that y is equal to, we can factor out 2 from these two guys. So we have 2 into 4 plus or minus 4 root 2i divided by 2. It is obvious that these two cancel each other. So we have y equal to 4 plus or minus 4 root 2i. This means that y is either equal to 4 plus 4 root 2i, or y is equal to 4 minus 4 root 2i. Thus we have two values for y. We can then use these two values of y to obtain the value of x. Since x is equal to 8 minus y, let me show you where we actually got this from. Right, it's actually from this line. Let's proceed further. What we do now is to consider each value of y. Consider this first. When y is equal to 4 plus 4 root 2i, This means that x equal to 8 minus, you just have to replace this particular y with 4 plus 4 root 2i. So we have 4 plus 4 root 2i. X equal to 8 minus times 4, that is minus 4, minus times 4 root 2i, that is minus 4 root 2i. So x equal to 8 minus 4, that is simply 4, minus 4 root 2i. Therefore, the first solution is actually x comma y is equal to, our x is 4 minus 4 root 2i, and y is 4 plus 4 root 2i. So we have 4 plus 4 root 2i. This is the first solution. The next thing we have to do is to consider this value of y, 4 minus 4 root 2i, when y is equal to 4 minus 4 root 2i. This means that x is equal to 8 minus y. So we have x equal to 8 minus, in place of this y, we just write 4 minus 4 root 2i, 4 minus 4 root 2i, x equal to 8 minus times 4, that is minus 4, minus times minus, opposite further, we have plus 4 root 2i. Therefore, the second solution, x comma y is equal to, our x is 4, 4 minus 4 root 2i. Alright, therefore, all the solutions that we have for this particular algebra problem are, the first one is 4 minus 4 root 2i, comma 4 plus 4 root 2i, and the second one is 4 plus 4 root 2i, comma 4 minus 4 root 2i. But this solution, we can actually verify it. Let's verify each of them using equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus y equal to 8. Considering